G'day, here's a nice piece of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. It's only light in colour scale, light base, but it's got a crystal top, I think, light purple blue. Underneath I don't think there's much there, but that might cut a nice stone. Oops, sorry, 20mm by 20 approximately. Good piece for somebody to start with because it's nice and big, and take a lot of time to cut it down. Looks like there's a bit of a crack there, but I think that's a good piece for someone to practice with, and I think you might end up with a nice stone as well. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.